Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of our device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 116.4 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.